In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create wing using pen tool. Select pen tool. Click and drag. As you can see, the wing has been created. You can shorten the wing. Now, if you want, you can put any color over here. Alright, so I'm gonna use gradient over here. So I have already selected gradient. So if you are unable to see this, or if you are unable to find it, don't worry. Just go to Windows and see, here it is. Or you can see the shortcut key over here, which is Control and F9. At the same time, you can click Control F9 and it will be popped up. So let's see. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color. Swatches. Okay, I'll keep and drag orange. Okay. Okay. So I got four colors over here. One color is white, then yellow, then light orange and dark orange. Like, both are orange though. I'm gonna create another wing, like duplicate this wing. Okay, so click on Alt. Now click on this wing, left click, now drag. Yeah, see, if you want to make another wing, like if you want to duplicate the wing, click on Alt and click on left click, drag. See, this is how you can do. Now you can, yeah, just click on this anchor point and drag. Okay, I'll delete this. See, your wings are ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with new videos of Illustrator. Thanks for watching.